Hey there! Are you looking for an effective way to make money online in 2023? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple steps to make money online in 2023. Follow these tips and start earning today. Step 1. Identify your niche. Whether it's blogging, social media marketing, or online tutoring, find something you're passionate about and build your skills. Step 2. Build your online presence. Create a website, start a blog, or create social media profiles to showcase your skills and expertise. Step 3. Build your audience. Use social media, SEO, and other online marketing strategies to reach your target audience and build a following. Step 4. Monetize your audience. Once you have an audience, you can start monetizing it through affiliate marketing, sponsored content, or selling your own products or services. Step 5. Scale up your business. As your audience and revenue grow, consider outsourcing tasks and expanding your offerings to grow your online business even further. And that's it. Follow these 5 simple steps and start making money online in 2023. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content.